This is the PBX incoming rules page. Here you can set up rules on how to direct your callers based on who or when they call. First, you'll notice there's a drop box to select a line number. Then there's a set of rules here. These rules are processed by the system in the order that you see here. I've got a few rules already set up, but to explain it, let's set up a new one. The first criteria you'll notice is when. If we want to base our rule on what time, we can set it according to one of the existing schedules, or we can add a new schedule here. We need a schedule name, and we can put a schedule description. Next, we enter the times and days for our schedule. We can say that every Monday from 8 to 5. If we want to add other days of the week, we can do the same thing for different times or the same. We can also do a yearly schedule on a certain day of the month. Or we could select a whole date range. And we can also select proceeding days or preceding days. Like this example, the first Monday after the 1st of January. Or a preceding day, like the second Tuesday before the 13th of November. All of the settings for your schedule appear here. You can edit them or delete them. Now that we're done with that, let's go back up and continue on with our settings for this rule. Our when box now contains our new schedule in case we want to use that. Who can be everyone or a set of certain customers like family members, key customers, ignore callers. We can select a group and edit it, or again we can select to add a new one. Let's go ahead and do that. Here we select a name for our caller group. Then we go ahead and bring it up and edit them. Let's see, we want everyone in the 1555 area code. We can choose also to remove them here. When you're all done, go ahead and hit save. So now our rule looks like this. When in the new schedule and in group D, we can say no IVR or send it to one of these existing menus: the holiday greeting and menu, the office hours, or the after hours. If we go ahead and do that, our rule is done and we can save it. However, if you don't want to send it to your PBX, you can click No IVR and then select the forwarding option. We could dial a telephone number, forward to an extension, or hang up. When we're all done with our rule, we'll go ahead and click Save. Let's go back to our incoming rules page and see if it's there. As you can see, our new customized rule is there. When in our new schedule, and from our Group D callers, hang up.